Respected sirs, in present scenario, there is no quality control on the electrical elements being used by number of people in the electrical circuit, and which has become a big source of electrical accident. And why this is happening? Because the quality control is not exercised. Also, the inspection of installation of a consumer is not being inspected periodically as per CA regulation number 30, as well as releasing of new connection also. There are number of negligence. For support to my statement, I issued this photo, a scrap freeze box used for installing these kits and starter, and for guidance I have posted to all experts and a very prompt response was received from respected Dr. U.K. Chaudhary Sahib as below. No ventilation. Airtight once the door is closed. In case of fire or short circuit, the plastic inner layer will catch fire immediately. The mechanical support strength from plastic inner layer may not be strong enough. Immediate guidance was issued, and I am very much thankful to respected Dr. U.K. Chaudhary Sahib for this is valuable guidance. Second guidance was issued from respected C.H. Narsimha Murthy Sahib. I am also of the same opinion as given by Dr. Chaudhary in Spark Group. Once door is closed, inside gets heated as there is no ventilation. Any short circuit of wires hanging may cause fire resulting in burning inside the fridge body reverse. Again, third opinion was immediately issued from respected Sri Apu Subaya sir. This is better than most of the normal pump panel rooms, but the thermal insulation of the fridge is flammable. Sirs, I am very much thankful all these high dignitaries for giving their very valuable guidance. And after this, I have referred related IS code. Following IS code were referred: 2675 and 1011 part 3. This is not at all complying the requirements of this following of the said two IS codes I have read. Similarly, please see sir, this starter, cover of this is lying here. This is a very bad practice. Similarly, there is, I think, no vermin proofing or glad here, no glad here entry, and this wiring, I think, is not properly dressed. This is not properly dressed. And secondly, this what I think may be a auto starter or like that. I do not know. This is just my guess. But here there is no main switch for any work to be carried out. It is required. I think if wrong, I may kindly be guided. But definitely Definitely, this is a very dangerous use of free body for use of for this purposes. And why people are doing experiments is that no quality control of concerned department on all these products. And secondly, while releasing service connection, all these things are to be seen very minutely and during periodical inspections also. But we are looking at all the stages and such dangerous things are being added in the circuit, increasing the chances of electrical accidents and fires. You from kindly guide, sir. And I am very much thankful again to about three dignitaries who have immediately guided me. And I, I know I am able to talk on this for appealing to the government kindly tighten the quality control and periodical inspections as per CA Regulation 30 regularly, or otherwise there will not be diminishing in electrical fires and electrical accidents. This will increase if we do not restore the strict quality control and strict periodical inspection as per CA Regulation 30. Myself, Ramdas Khandagade, retired Chief Engineer and National Safety Council member. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for such safety related videos. Thank you. I am sending this video to all government and electrical supply authorities in Maharashtra. I also appeal for such action for other states. Thank you.